In this video, I'm walking you through how to set up a brand new Valorant account from scratch. First thing is first, head over to Google and search Valorant. The official site, playvalorant.com, should pop up as the top result. Go ahead and click it. Once you're on the page, you'll notice a Play Free button sitting front and center with a cinematic trailer playing behind it. Click that to get started. Valorant is published by Riot Games, so your account actually gets created through their system. Click Make One to begin the sign-up process. You'll be asked how you want to sign up first. You can use an email address or link things up with Facebook, Google, Apple, or Xbox instead. I'll be going the email route for this walkthrough. After that, enter your date of birth, pick out a Riot Games username, and set a password for your account. That's really all it takes. Your account is officially live at this point. Last step, hit the download button, and the Valorant installer will start downloading to your computer. And that covers the whole process. If this tutorial was useful, drop a like and consider subscribing for more.